What's up, guys? Today we're fishing here. Y andan muchos. El Ángel, el Francis. Esos dos vasos que no sé quién son. Two dudes, I don't know who they are. El Andrés, Raúl. Mi papá ya está. El Ángel y el Emilio. We're gonna be fishing here for toros, pargos, whatever wants to bite our lures. So let's go. Okay, guys. Hey guys, we got a fish. ¿Es un toro? Primero vi como rojo y pensé que era pargo. No sé qué era, creo que era blanco. Holy crap, it's scary. Oh, okay, I'm gonna let this thing go. I'm just gonna show you guys it. Look, that's why voodoo shrimp are the best, bro. We caught the jack with this voodoo shrimp. I'm gonna show you guys the jack and then we'll let it go. It's a little jack, but it was fun. Let it go over here, bro. ¿Qué? Sí. There's another cast. I see like a spool of something over there. ¡Ay! ¡Oh! ¿Ve? ¿Lo ves ahí? Ahí están todos. Let's go, another fish. Chin toros ahora.
¿Cómo lo remonta el carro? ¿De qué carro?
No, es una marca de Estados Unidos.
Estaba repaloso, pero ya cuando estaba repaloso.
¿Dónde está? Ay.
¿Qué pedo? Ponete fuego.
Para acá atrás, para acá abajo.
Échalo ahí.
Ese es el más chiquito. Most of them are little, but I don't really care. Another small one. I'm gonna let it go right here. Guys, yaks. Not mad about it. It's fun to catch. Oh, this one feels weird. What the heck? Hitting is so weird, bro. Hay otro toro ahí. Got a sea urchin in the side of it. All I have to do is bring this rod back and then we're getting a bunch of fish. Oh, I ripped up his lip. Let me show you guys his lip. Here, we're gonna let this dude go. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Good size. Same size as all the other ones. Voy a ir a tirar acá. See, it looks like there's a lot of... ¿Qué, toro? ¿Paleta? I already left, bro. Saca uno. Snook, baby snook, but he doesn't count, so I don't know. We'll see though. Maybe he does have a big one. Maybe there's a lot. So right here. Oh, bro, first cast. First cast, bro. I barely reeled it in. I don't want it to, but I don't think I will to. It's going into the rock. Oh, I have two. I have two, guys. I have two. I promise you I have two. I had to. I promise you guys I had two. Oh, bro, I lost it right there. That was crazy. You guys probably didn't see that, but I did for sure. There was two on the hook. I don't know if they're on the same hook, on separate hooks, but there was two on my lure. And then I think I lost one right here and another one. Let's go. Okay, this one seems bigger. And maybe it's just wants to fight more. I also keep my drag tight for the... No, 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 no. Okay. Let's see if we can get this one up. It's another little one. Bad to lose it, bro. Oh no, I'm good. My line is so freighted. I don't really care though. Oh, don't get your gross stuff on me. Oh, I'm trying to get you back to the water. Stop moving. Another jack. It's tiny. This one fought the hardest for sure though, guys. Go. Go right here. And it's gone. Jack. This is a big one. This is a big one, guys. Let's see if we can catch it. There we go. Ah, that's a tiny one, bro. What are you talking about? There was this giant jack that came and swept my lure a bunch. And then this tiny one had to come in. It's fine. More jacks for me. It's funner. Wish I brought a tiny rod though. Oh, no, no, no. No, don't fall down. No, no, no. Oh, dang, this is bad. I'll show you guys how freighted my line is right now. Let me just let this jack go. Jack, look at that. It's about like 2 sizes. 2 pliers. Throw that back in. Hey guys, fishing day is over. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.